Hello Woodcreek students and families, and welcome to your guide on course registration for next school year. I'll be walking you through the steps to submit your completed course request through your HomeLink Aries account. Course offerings and availability are based on student course requests, and all students must submit their course requests through their HomeLink Aries account by the course deadline in order to assure that there will be enough seats for the class that they are selecting. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is log into your HomeLink Aries account, which should look like this. You must do it as a student account, not as parents, because parents do not have access to selecting course. Under the Classes tab, you'll see the Course Request Entry tab, and you'll get an opportunity to bring up the registration page. You might have some pre-selected courses on your course request page. These are pre-selected for grade level graduation requirements. For example, if you're a 9th grade student, you'll be registering for the 10th grade, then you'll probably have CP English 10, World Studies, and PE 10 pre-selected as shown on your screen here. To add the rest of your courses, you can either type in the name of the course you are looking for in the search bar, or you can search the course by its subject area from the drop-down list. If you're not sure, you can always click on Show All Courses and then click Search. After you've searched out a course in subject area, you can view the description by hovering over the blue circle, clicking on it, and expanding the description like this. If you want to select the course, then click on the Submit or Request button, and then you will see it listed on your course list. At this point, it is officially considered to be a course request. Let's go ahead and do that again, and we will add another course, Military History. Here's the course description, expand it to get an idea of what the course is about, and then click the Request button, and the course now shows up on your course list. If you want to change your mind and decide you don't want that course, then use the red X button next to the course, and it will remove it from your selection list. If you're registering for your senior year, you will need to have a total of 9 courses selected. The reason for this is that Government and Economics are listed as 2 separate courses on your course request entry page, but they'll actually be combined and count only as 1 course during your senior year. Don't forget to add alternate courses for each of your electives in order to complete the request process. To add an alternate course, you click on the Add Alternate to the right of your initial elective course. Then you can search for and add an alternate course the same way you did before. It's very important that you select alternate courses for every elective. If you don't choose one ahead of time, your counselor will have to choose that elective for you. If you're going to be a sophomore next year and would like to request the AP Euro English 10 block class, then you need to delete the World Studies class and search and add the AP Euro History class instead. If you're going to be a junior next year and would like to request the AP Language, AP US History block, then you need to delete your pre-selected CP English 11 and History, and you'll need to search for and add the AP Language course whose course number ends in a number 1, like you see on the screen here. So that's that AP Language course that ends in the number 1. Add that to your schedule. Now you're going to do the same thing for the AP US History that also ends in the number 1. This sets you up for that block class. If you're planning to take either AP Language or AP US History but not both, then you'll need to delete, in this case, the US History class, and add the AP US History that ends in the number 3. There's an example on the screen now. So this is if you're just taking AP US History but not both. The same thing applies for the AP Language. If you want to take just the AP Language and the regular US History, find the selection that ends in the number 3. Once you've completed all your course requests, including your alternate electives, you're automatically saved with each selection, so there is no submit or save button that you have to click. If you're planning to be a TA or a TI, then be sure to add alternate electives next to these course selections in the event that the counselor cannot accommodate your TA or your TI request. The TA and the TI forms can be picked up at the front desk from the guidance assistants. Please refer to your transcript in order to assure that you're registering for the appropriate classes and you're staying on track for graduation. To view your transcript or grad requirements, click the Grade tab and then look at Transcripts or Graduation Status. This will show you the courses that you've currently taken, credits that you've already completed, and credits you need. To stay on track with your UC and CSU A through G requirements, refer to our Woodcreek High website, hover over Services, and click on the Counseling Department Resources. There you will find the UC-CSU worksheet that gives you a great planning document for your UC or CSU entry requirements. It shows you courses that are required and gives you the classes at Woodcreek that will meet those requirements going forward. So to review, log in under your Student Aries account, go to your classes and the Course Request Entry tab. Search and choose the courses you need to graduate and to fulfill your UC-CSU requirements. Choose alternates for all your electives. Thinking of being a TA or TI, make sure you get the forms from the counseling office and choose alternates just in case it doesn't work out. Check your graduation status through the school website under the Graduation Status or Transcripts link. Counselors are available to help you make good decisions, but you have to fill out the forms to get the process going. Start early and choose wisely. Thanks for watching.